Hi, I'm Ann Rockler Jackson, the CEO of Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. I'm thrilled to tell you that this is our 70th anniversary. We have been helping woodworkers create with confidence for 7 decades. My father, Nordy Rockler, started this company in 1954. And he originally started out selling plywood, which is an odd thing to sell by mail order, but he did. And then hardware and lighting supplies and power tools. And our 1954 catalog, which we still have, I'd say at least 50% of the products we still carry. A Lazy Susan bearing is a Lazy Susan bearing. My brother and I started the retail division because people kept coming to our mail order warehouse and didn't have a way to display everything. And our first store was in Minneapolis. And now I'm happy to say that we have 45 stores nationwide, from San Diego to Portland, Maine, and from Seattle to Tampa. The stores all have wonderful classrooms, so I strongly suggest that you visit them. And if you're not near one, we have 20,000 products on our website at rockler.com. So I'm thrilled that you're here to join us for our 70th anniversary, and thank you all so much for making this possible.